welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sana Mehrotra. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, do subscribe. मैं हर बारी बोलती हूँ but you guys are not subscribing. So do subscribe the channel so that you can get my latest videos. And also hit the bell icon so that जब भी मैं अपना नया वीडियो डालूँ you get notified. So in today's video guys, I wanted to create a makeup tutorial for you guys. So this is the look that I have created. This look is super easy, very affordable and super glam makeup for you guys. I have came up with the video especially for those who don't have a lot of time to put on makeup yet they want to look very presentable and glammed up in this Diwali. So guys, if you are occupied with the Diwali preparations and Diwali Pooja and you are not having a lot of time to put on those heavy time consuming makeup, so this is the video for you guys. So without making this intro very lengthy, let's just jump into the video. Guys, if we are talking about the glam makeup, then your skin needs to be prepped before starting the makeup. Your skin should be hydrated, it should illuminate so that you get the perfect glow. So for that I'll be doing 2-3 steps before makeup. So first I'll be using this Pond's light moisturizer. I'll take thoda sa quantity and apply on my face. Then I'm taking this Baby Lips lip balm from Maybelline and I'll prep my lips. For that illuminating effect, I'm using this Spotlight illuminating lotion from Colorbar. I'll take a pump of this and I will be applying it on the areas where you need that glow. Guys, now moving forward with the makeup, I am using my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory 115. I'll take this blender और मैं सारे फाउंडेशन को ब्लेंड कर लूंगी. Guys, you don't have to drag the product. What you have to do, you just have to bounce the blender on your skin और बहुत ही easily सारा product जो है आपके face पे evenly spread हो जाएगा. So guys, you can take the product on your eyelids because we are not going to do any heavy eye makeup. So इसके लिए आपको एक base मिल जाएगा. So guys, we are doing a very quick makeup. So I think I don't need a concealer or a color corrector. अगर आपको ज़रूरत है, then you can go ahead with that. I am totally skipping that part and then I am moving forward with packing this product. For packing the foundation, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 230 medium buff. Sorry, natural buff. Yeah. Guys, if you need a chiseled cheek and you have to hide your double chin, so for that you need to do contouring. So for that I am using this Sugar Cosmetics Contour D4 palette in the shade Top Topper. I have taken an angle brush and मैं contour कर लूँगी. It brings a huge difference. You can see both the sides of my face. एक illusion create हो जाता है that your skin has some colors on your face, आपकी double chin नहीं है, then your cheeks are bit chiseled. So I think you guys should contour. A little bit of contouring brings a huge difference on your face. For blush, I am using this Colorbar Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. Guys, this blush is very pigmented, so if you guys are using this blush, you need to take a tiny bit of the product, and what you have to do, you just have to blend and blend the product to get that rosy cheeks. So guys, as you all know कि हमारे पास time नहीं है and we have to get that glam look. So for that, I am using this liquid eyeshadow. This is a Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the metal shade. So what I am going to do, I'll apply this directly on my lids. I'll use my ring finger and I will be blending this all. This is what you have to do. I'll be doing the same on my this eye and then I'll be right back. So guys, you can see this is done and it looks so beautiful. You can take any shade, you can take champagne shade, you can take silver shade, you can go with the golden color. So whichever color suits your outfit, you can take that shade and you can apply it on your lid. It will take just 1 minute to blend it on your both the eyes. So yeah, this is the glitter eyeshadow that I have applied. Then moving on with my eyebrows, I just forgot to do that. I'll be doing this now. So here I am using this Savannah color eyebrow palette. So guys, I'm done with both the eyebrows. Now you can take any shade of eyeliner. Right now I'm taking this black shade. This is from Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. So you can take any shade. You can take brown, you can take black, you can take blues, green, any color you can take. Whatever suits your outfit, you can take that liner, and we are going to draw a wing liner. So you can see what a instant difference this has brought to your look. It just beautifies your eyes. So you can draw liner. आपको पतला सूट करेगा तो पतला, अगर मोटा सूट करता है तो मोटा, जैसा भी लाइनर आपको सूट करता है, you can draw that liner. I'm done with applying liner on both my eyes. So you can see what a instant difference this liner has brought to my eyes. So yeah, now moving on, I am using this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Oops. Guys, the eye look is almost complete. If you want, you can leave it like this. What I am going to do, I am using a NY Bay eyeliner. I have applied a little bit on my lower lash line. I am taking this smudger brush और मैं इसको smudge कर लूँगी Now I am taking this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and a fan brush, and I'll be highlighting my face. So guys, for my lips I am using Naykaa Perfect Pout Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade Kin to My Barbie. So guys, you have to do a lot with this makeup on. So to fix this makeup in place, because you have to spend a lot of time in this makeup, so you have to fix it, otherwise आप पूजा में रहोगे, then you have to burst crackers and all, so काफ़ी time लगता है. So you need to fix your makeup. So for that I am using this Colorbar Stay the Day Finishing Mist. So guys, to finish off the look, I have applied a bindi that is matching my lipstick. So yeah, that was it. This is the complete look. बहुत थोड़ा सा टाइम लिया. You can get ready with this look within 10 minutes. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. So yeah, आप लोगों को ये लुक कैसा लगा? Do let me know in the comment section, and also do let me know that आप और कौन से videos चाहते हो इस festive series में, so that I can create those videos for you guys. And yeah, that was it. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. अपनी family का ध्यान रखना, and then I'll see you in the next video.